Can you not do this? Or this? Then you win the spot. For only $10, and that's not even my bargain. If you were in the armed forces, it's only $2. $2! Here's how it works. First, you make sure the pillow is inside of the hanger. Next, you put the spotter on your lower back or lower, but not on your legs. Then, you make sure someone is holding the rope tight and not going to let you fall. Finally, you are ready to start. One more thing. If you are not interested in standing back bends, back walkovers, back bend stand-ups, and back bend kickovers, like Harper is, then please do not use, for that would be a waste of $10.